Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download and step by step I show you in this video. So open any browsers to type Dell Pro 14 plus, then service tray and then driver. After that, this first link dell.com. So just click on not this because this is the official website. Now if you want to install the all driver, so you can click here, check for update, and it will show the required driver you can install easily. Otherwise, if you have to install specific driver related to you are getting some issues and all, so you can install this selector driver. After the scroll down, this is your system and this is your model number, and okay, scroll down, click on category. So after that, it will your driver will show like categorize. Slow down. In the Wi-Fi, in the network Ethernet wireless. So this is a Bluetooth driver. So this is download icon. Click to download. After that, it will start download, and it will show here after download. You can see. Then click to open. Then click to yes for administer external installations. So this is two way to install: first directly and second extract. So if you are facing indirect options, then you have to install this extract and then install. Then next, now this is Bluetooth driver is installing. Now this is installed, and then close, then restart, and then bliss check.